Epic wake surfing only comes from an epic surf boat. With the Gen2 Surf System available on the NXT, XT, and X Series models, including the iconic X-Star, every boat delivers maximum surf performance for maximum fun. To make life easy for riders and drivers, MasterCraft has installed preset surf profiles into the software of every Gen 2 enabled model. Our system allows you to easily customize your surf experience based on your size, skill level, and style. On XT and X models, there are 4 factory profiles for each side of the boat. Each uses the same amount of ballast, yet can create 4 incredibly distinct waves. By adjusting the position of the wake-shaping device, attitude adjustment plate, and speed, you can easily cater to everyone in your crew. Board size and skill level do matter, but the basics are set up by body size. The larger the surfer, the more push you need to stay up with the boat. For little rippers and people under 100 pounds, select the Kids Wave profile. You'll receive a long, forgiving shape with the right amount of push and power for lighter riders. With a less intimidating wave, kids can grasp the basics of speed control and gain confidence quickly. Dial it up to the Mellow Wave for slightly larger surfers, under 150 pounds. This easy-to-surf wave has similar characteristics to the Kids Wave, yet with more amplitude and a face that stands taller with additional push. If you need more power, opt for the Steep Wave. It gives a significantly steeper swell than the Mellow Wave and is ideal for riders above 150 pounds. The height and push of the wave increases for power, while the length of the wave shortens a bit. And lastly, the max push setting makes the steepest, tallest, and most dynamic wave of them all. With max push, the boat speed increases slightly, which makes the wave firmer, with a better barrel for more power and pop without any wash along the crest. Each profile makes it easy to get started, and from there, you'll find perfect waves by adjusting the wake-shaping device position or speed to adapt to each rider's preference. That's where the real fun begins. From easy to epic, our Gen 2 Surf System has become the standard for those who demand the very best. Make your wave your way with MasterCraft.